Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the June Lady Raga bag unboxing and review for you guys. I can see a black and silver color bag this time, which in fact is looking quite classy. The material is like PU or fake leather finish material, but it's good to look at so it can be carried inside your handbag. I like the pouch this time. Now let's get into the content, shall we? The first product is from the brand Roots and Herbs. This is a good cruelty-free and luxury brand. I have used a couple of products from this brand and they have turned out quite well for me. So I'm really looking forward to trying out more from their range. This is the Delicate Shower Gel, invigorating sweet chandan and saffron. As we all know, this brand has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicone, and this is a purely 100% natural product. It tells us here what all things they do not use in their products, and the ingredient list also, you cannot see any unnatural chemical products. This product costs 450 rupees and this is a 50 ml deluxe size sample. The next product is a BB lotion from the brand Flaunt Naturals. This is again a 50 ml product, and as you can see in the ingredient list, this is not a completely natural product even though the brand name says naturals, and the cost of this product is 399 rupees. It does say here that it is paraben, phthalates, SLS and cruelty free. So this is basically a tinted moisturizer. It would not give you much coverage, but a slightly more radiant and flawless look. I'm not very fond of BB or CC creams, and it's not even fully natural, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, or maybe I'll give it away to somebody who uses a BB cream on a daily basis. Then there is something which is bubble wrapped. So the third product is this Mono eyeshadow from MUA. I have used a blush from this brand and I really liked it. This one here is a beautiful golden coppery shade, as you can see. The cost of this is 295 rupees and this is in the shade 30 Pearl. It is not a matte shade. As you can see, it has quite a lot of glitters inside. Let me open it and swatch it for you guys. So this is how the shade looks, and this is how the pigmentation is. It's a beautiful copper kind of color. It has golden sparkles in it. So this color would really glam up any night look. This can be mixed with any shade to make it sparkly and golden. So I did like this color, and the pigmentation is quite nice as well. It doesn't look out too bold or too golden. It's the right kind of shimmer that I like. So I'm happy to receive this. Moving on to the next product, which is again bubble wrapped. The fourth product is the jewelry piece in this month's bag. What is it? Oh my god, I totally love this. So this is actually a layered bracelet with beautiful pearls and these dangling golden oval pieces. This is totally my kind of jewelry, lightweight, trendy, and it's very dainty. I love this piece of jewelry this time. This is something that I'll definitely wear. Then there is something inside this cute red pouch, and this I think is a scarf. It is quite a big scarf, as you can see. The material is not too good. It is like a handmade cotton kind of material. A scarf is a really essential thing in summers. You do need to cover up your face and your hair. So it's a good choice. They have given a long scarf, not just something for styling. So this is for covering your face and your hair in the summers. So I did like this product. Moving on, there is a leaflet from Lady Raga. It says, I tramp a perpetual journey. And there is the info card. The theme of this month's Lady Raga bag is June Wanderlust. We have already read all the product prices apart from that of the multi-chain bracelet, which is listed as rupees 225 here, and the surprise, that is a scarf, price is not mentioned as always, but I would say it would be at least a good 100 or 200 rupees. That's all in this month's Lady Raga bag. I am really happy with this month's bag, especially because of the bracelet and the eyeshadow. In fact, the surprise as well. I even like the body care product since it's from a good well-known brand. I know it will perform well. But if you ask me whether I'll recommend buying it, I would say not really. Because you might not like the shade of the eyeshadow you get, or you might be already having it. The BB lotion or the shower gel, not something for which I would suggest spending your money. I really like the bracelet, but it's a complete personal choice. So I would say if you liked it, go for it, or you can skip it this month. Do let me know what you think about this month's Lady Raga bag, and if you have a favorite product in this month's bag. And if you are getting the Lady Raga bag, do let me know what you got as a surprise gift. As a personal opinion, since I liked a couple of products in this month's bag, I am happy. But this is not something that everybody would like. So that was my review on the Lady Raga bag of the June month. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It would really make me happy. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.